In today's screencast, I am going to show you how to create a template or how to open a template for a project. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Microsoft Word, open that up, and see here there are a bunch of templates. And this just means that these are previously designed things that you could use for different things, like a letter or a flyer, and things like that. So for our purpose today, we are learning how to open up a student report with a cover. So first, it will have to download the template. And once it's downloaded, we have our picture. We're going to just X out of that. And report title, heading, and you can just type and replace things here. So let's say I did my report on Antarctica, which I spelled wrong, so I'm going to click that. There we go. And we have a picture, and you can just change it however you need to.